one more supplementary question.
Yes, yes.
Since the application had been submitted to the concerned department, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge that the upgradation of existing of Mawhati PHC to CHC is there or not in the list of the Health Department?
Honorable Speaker, sir, since that is a completely new identification of a particular PHC, I would require notice in case I miss the point and make wrong commitments on the floor of the House.
Sir, for the information of our Honorable Minister in charge, I just want to inform you that the application submitted to the concerned department in the past few years.